Welcome back to my channel. Hello Kashyap.
కొన్నిసార్లు రావడం లేట్ అవచ్చేమో కానీ రావడం మాత్రం పక్కా.
Today let's learn about fractions. So, what is a fraction? Let's take a circle and divide it into two equal parts. This is the first half and this is the second half of the circle. Here one half refers to one part out of two equal parts and is written as 1 by 2. Here this 1 by 2 is known as a fraction. So fraction can be defined as when a whole is divided into equal parts, a part of the whole is known as a fraction. It is written in the form of numerator by denominator. That is, the number in the top is known as numerator, which tells us the total number of equal parts used or referred to. Here one part is referred, so numerator is equals to 1. And similarly, the number in the bottom is known as denominator, which tells us the total number of equal parts. Here total number of equal parts are 2, so denominator is equals to 2. In a fraction, denominator should not be equal to 0. If denominator is equal to 0, the fraction becomes undefined. To understand this in detail, let's take some examples. Say I have a pizza of 4 equal slices. Suppose I ate 2 slices of pizza. To know the fraction of completed part, so here total parts are 4. So denominator is equals to 4. And similarly, the number in the top is known as numerator, which tells us the number of equal parts used or referred to. Here 2 parts are completed, so numerator is equals to 2. And the fraction of this here is 2 by 4. Now let's take a triangle and divide it into 3 equal parts. And to know the fraction of the shaded part, here total parts are 3. And denominator is equals to 3. And one part is shaded, so numerator is equals to 1. And the fraction of shaded part here is 1 by 3. Now let's see some other examples. Say we want 1/3 of 12. That is 1 by 3 of 12 equal parts. So now let's represent 12 equal parts in a square. So 1 by 3 of 12, that is equals to 12 divided by 3. So 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. So 1/3 of 12 equal parts is equals 4. Next, suppose I want 1/5 of 10. So now we represent 10 equal parts into 10 equal circles. So 1 by 5 of 10, that is equals to 10 divided by 5. So 10 divided by 5 is equals to 2. So 1/5 of 10 equal parts is equals to 2. Now let's see these questions. First, to know the fraction of this part, Here total parts are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So denominator is equal to 6. And next, here numerator is equal to 1. As we can see, only one part is shaded. So the fraction of this part here is 1 by 6. And next, here total parts are 8. And denominator is equal to 8. Here 5 parts. Here 5 parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So numerator is equal to 5. And the fraction of this part here is 5 by 8. And next, here total parts are 3 and the denominator is equal to 3. Here we can see no part is shaded. So numerator is equal to 0. Now let's see these questions. 1 by 2 of 24. This is nothing but half of 24 equal parts. That is equals to 24 divided by 2. So 24 divided by 2 is equals to 12. So half of 24 equal parts, that is 12. And next, 1/3 of 12. This is 12 divided by 3. So 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. So 1/3 of 12 equal parts is equals to 4. Next, 1 by 5 of 45 is equals to 45 divided by 5. And 45 divided by 5 is equals to 9. And 1/5 of 45 equal parts is 9. Now solve these questions and comment the answers in the comment section. Hope you all understood. Thanks for watching.